Experience the convenience of water access anywhere with portable shallow well pumps, a game changer for effortless irrigation and water supply. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 well pumps available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best well pumps. The 5th product on this list is the FLUENTPOWER electric shallow well pressure pump. This portable stainless steel sprinkler booster pump is a powerhouse for water management, perfect for garden irrigation, water transferring, or rainwater draining. Its robust stainless steel build, waterproof on-off switch, and portable handle provide durability, ease of use, and convenient storage. Featuring a 1 horsepower motor, it boasts a high-efficiency performance with a maximum flow rate of 900 gallons per hour and a lift head of up to 144 feet. The wear-resistant seal structure, complete with thermal protection, ensures longevity. Its corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction guarantees easy maintenance and rust-free operation. Versatile in its use, this pump is ideal for a range of applications, including irrigation systems, gardening, rain barrels, and even large aquariums. It's also compatible with the pressure regulator, making it a reliable booster pump. The pump includes dedicated priming and drain ports with a rotary knob, simplifying maintenance without needing additional tools. Whether you're draining rainwater, filling a pool, or pumping from a well, this pump handles it all. For optimal use, follow the instructions in the user manual, backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and a 24/7 customer service. The FLUENTPOWER pump is a confident choice for your water pumping needs. Its pros are: it has a 1 horsepower motor, and this pump delivers a maximum flow rate of 900 gallons per hour, making it highly efficient for various water-related tasks. It has a stainless steel housing that ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for different environments and ensuring a longer lifespan. And it is suitable for a wide range of applications, from garden irrigation to filling pools and transferring water, showcasing its versatility for different water management needs. However, it is not suitable for use with drinkable water, limiting its application in scenarios where water quality is a critical factor. The FLUENTPOWER electric shallow well pressure pump is ideal for professional landscape designers seeking a powerful and versatile water management solution. This pump is perfect for garden irrigation, pool maintenance, and more. Up next in 4th place is the FOTING shallow well pump. This unit is an excellent tool for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts. This portable water pump provides a reliable and efficient solution for a variety of water transfer needs. It features a powerful 1 horsepower motor that delivers a substantial flow rate of 876 gallons per hour, and it can lift water up to 125 feet, making it perfect for garden irrigation, sprinkler systems, and more. The pump is built to last with a stainless steel sprinkler head and an aluminum body, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. Additionally, it includes automatic thermal overload protection, which adds a layer of safety by shutting off the pump when water runs out. Its portability is further enhanced by a convenient handle, making it easy to carry. The self-priming feature simplifies the operation, allowing for a hassle-free use. The pump's versatility is evident in its ability to handle tasks such as water transfer, pressure boosting, and drawing water from shallow wells, ponds, or rain barrels. Easy to set up, with its 6.6-foot power cable, it simply plugs into a 115-volt AC power source. The FOTING pump offers a practical, durable solution for a wide range of water-related tasks. Its pros are: it has 1 horsepower motor, ensures a high flow rate of 876 gallons per hour, and can lift water up to 125 feet, making it suitable for a range of water transfer tasks. It has a high-strength stainless steel sprinkler head and an aluminum body. The pump is built for durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long service life. And it has a built-in automatic thermal overload protection that shuts off the pump when water runs out, preventing damage to the motor and enhancing safety. However, it requires priming with enough water, especially during the first use, which might add a step to the setup process. The FOTING shallow well pump is a great option for homeowners and gardeners seeking a powerful and durable water transfer solution. Still haven't found a well pump that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Acquaer SJS100. Begin your water management journey with a robust and reliable solution tailored for all your irrigation and water transfer needs. Featuring an energy-efficient 1 horsepower motor, This pump impressively delivers a flow of 998 gallons per hour and boasts a strong suction capacity of up to 26 feet. It's designed to efficiently and reliably support your lawn, garden, or farm. Crafted for lasting durability, it features a stainless steel casing and an aluminum motor housing, both offering excellent corrosion resistance. The lightweight design, complemented by a convenient iron handle, makes transportation easy. Additionally, the waterproof on-off switch enhances safety and ease of use. This pump is equipped with a built-in automatic thermal overload protection to prevent overheating and a premium mechanical seal to effectively prevent water leakage, ensuring an extended service life. Its versatility is further highlighted by its compatibility with the pressure regulator, allowing it to function efficiently as a booster pump. Ideal for a range of applications, whether you're irrigating your garden, transferring water from wells or tanks, or operating a sprinkler system, this pump is more than capable. Backed by a 2-year warranty and professional customer service, Acquaer promises a worry-free experience. This pump stands as a solid investment for a stable and reliable water system. Its pros are: it has a 1-horsepower motor that delivers a robust flow of 998 gallons per hour, making it suitable for various applications such as irrigation and water transfer. It has stainless steel casing and aluminum motor housing to provide durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long service life, and it is equipped with an easy-to-carry iron handle. The pump is designed for portability, allowing for convenient transport and installation. However, some users may find the pump to be relatively noisy during operation, which could be a consideration for those who prioritize quieter devices. The Acquaer SJS100 is for gardening enthusiasts seeking a powerful and durable water transfer solution. This pump's efficient 1-horsepower motor, durable stainless steel construction, and versatile applications make it a reliable choice for various needs, from garden irrigation to water removal. The second product on this list is the Aquastrong PGA120. Discover this portable shallow well pump, a standout choice for those in need of a robust water transfer solution. This pump is a powerhouse capable of delivering water up to 147 feet and features a powerful suction. It achieves a maximum flow of 1,209 gallons per hour at a 5-foot head, making it highly effective in well depths up to 26 feet. With its energy-efficient motor, this lawn pump is both economical and durable, providing high flow and pressure for irrigation and clean water transfer. Its portability is a key feature thanks to the easy-to-carry iron handle, making it highly versatile for use in lawns, gardens, and farms. Durability is ensured with a stainless steel casing and aluminum motor housing, offering corrosion resistance. This is further enhanced by a waterproof on-off switch, low noise operation, and straightforward installation process. For safety, the pump automatically shuts down when water is depleted to prevent motor damage. It also includes built-in thermal overload protection. While it is not self-priming, it is compatible with pressure regulators, serving efficiently as a pressure booster pump. Installation is user-friendly, featuring a 1-inch MPT discharge and suction with a 3/4-inch garden hose adapter. The addition of a carbon ceramic mechanical seal effectively prevents water leakage, ensuring a long service life. Its pros are: it has a 1.2 horsepower motor that delivers impressive water flow and pressure, making it suitable for various applications from irrigation to water transfer. It has a stainless steel casing and aluminum motor housing. The pump is designed for durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long service life. And it has an automatic shutdown when water is depleted, and built-in thermal overload protection enhances the safety and longevity of the motor. However, it may not be the most versatile pump for users with diverse water transfer needs. The Aquastrong PGA120 is a must-have for gardeners, farmers, and homeowners seeking a robust and durable solution for efficient irrigation, water transfer, and draining needs, thanks to its powerful motor, durable construction, and versatile applications. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top well pump is the TDRFORCE JT100. Elevate your water transfer capabilities with the TDRFORCE 1-horsepower 18 GPM shallow well 110-volt booster pump, a superior choice for its versatility and robustness compared to others on the market. This pump's powerful 1-horsepower motor, combined with a remarkable flow rate of 18 gallons per minute, sets it apart as an ideal solution for various applications such as garden hose pressure boosting, pond and lake pumping, lawn sprinkler systems, and pool draining. What distinguishes this pump is its user-friendly design, featuring a 1-inch inlet and outlet compatible with standard garden hoses, ensuring hassle-free operation. Its waterproof manual switch adds a layer of safety and precision in water control, a feature not commonly found in similar pumps. The TDRFORCE pump outshines its competitors in durability and reliability. Thanks to its stainless steel construction, portable iron handle, and cooling vent design. These features contribute to the pump's extended lifespan. Its self-priming capability further simplifies the startup process, making it more convenient than other models. While it is a non-submersible pump, its versatility extends to various water sources, provided it's installed above ground. With a 180-day warranty and responsive customer service, the TDRFORCE 1 horsepower pump assures a higher level of satisfaction and peace of mind for users looking for a dependable, efficient, and superior water transfer solution. Its pros are: it is suitable for various scenarios such as garden hose pressure boosting, pond and lake pumping, lawn sprinkler systems, and pool draining. It has 1 horsepower motor and 18 GPM high flow rate to ensure efficient and powerful water transfer for diverse needs. It can be easily connected to standard garden hoses and home water systems, and the 110-volt power source with a standard US plug simplifies the setup. And it has a waterproof manual switch that enhances water control safety, and the non-submersible design comes with a caution for above-ground installation. However, it is designed for above-ground use only, limiting its suitability for certain applications. The TDRFORCE JT100 is an excellent investment for homeowners seeking a reliable and versatile water transfer solution, perfect for irrigation, pool draining, and various garden applications, boasting robust construction and easy installation. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.